welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and I have been getting a lot of questions about my hair and how I do it. So today I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine. I have a lot of hair, so my mom helps me to wash it and comb it and sometimes braid it. And this is really dirty right now, so this is how we're going to get started, by washing my hair. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm washing my hair in the sink because it's just so much easier to get all that hair washed than going in the shower or the bathtub. And it's way easier on my mom too because, like I said before, she's the one doing my hair. And these are the products I'll be using. I have Aussie Miracle Curls. I love the smell so much. I just love this product. So when my mom shampoos my hair, she only shampoos the scalp and then she rubs the scalp to get my scalp clean. And then she lets the water wash out the shampoo and clean the rest of my hair. I'm gonna deep condition with this Aussie 3-minute miracle. It really is a miracle. Time to detangle while the deep conditioner is in my hair. Now that my hair is all detangled, we are going to wash it out with some cool water. Now I'm using a microfiber towel because a regular cotton towel can cause friction to the hair and breakage to curly hair, so we don't want to use that. I'm going to style my hair and I'm going to be using a leave-in detangler milk and an oil blend that my mom made, and I'm going to put my hair in some twist, and I'm using this cream pudding as my styler. So now that my hair is all twisted up, I'm just going to leave it like this, go to bed, and see you guys in the morning. Now that it's all down, we have to separate and fluff. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love you.